Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go y'all. G-Wagon, pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, it's like
I used to take myself out on dates.
What's up, MG gang, 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 gang. I had to hold on for a minute. Lashes touch my glasses. I don't know what to do. It's your girl Raw Melanin. Welcome to my channel. And first and foremost, to all my new viewers, what's poppin'? I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to my channel. Okay. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I installed this hair to my, oh my gosh. Have y'all seen my new intro? Like, sis got an intro. Like, she's growing. Like, wait, oh my god, she growing. This hair was sent to me by Journee Boutique. First and foremost, thank you so much. I'm so glad to be a part of the team. Yes, your girl's an ambassador for them, so y'all be seeing a lot of good stuff when it comes to them. She sent me 2 bundles, and as well as, of course, 1 closure. However, I had to space out the bundles because it wasn't it didn't fulfill the whole cap, I guess I'll say it like that. So there is some spacing in this unit. I wasn't aware, like I didn't realize I was running out until like I got like halfway through. So I think the closure is like a 3x5, and like I said, they're all 16 inches. As you can see, it stops like, yeah, that's about right. And the curl type is a natural wave. I will have how everything shows out of the package once you guys get into it, so you guys will see that. And so this isn't the same day that I installed this hair, and I wanted to do that on purpose just to give some feedback on, you know, how the hair has been holding up. Curls have fallen, but y'all will see how I got shit popping, you know, if you keep watching. But it holds a good curl, y'all. Like, it really does, and this hair is so soft. I haven't gotten any shedding except for when I decided to when I cut the lace off the closure. But other than that, this is good. I didn't bleach the knots on this closure at all. Didn't have any, so I have a cap, a new cap underneath, and this is why it looks like this. So yeah, it's all goody and hoodie. All of these on Journee Boutique's hair will be down below if y'all want to purchase their hair. They also do wholesale, so baby. Oh, make sure y'all liking, make sure y'all commenting, and make sure y'all subscribing. Make sure y'all got those post notifications on so you can be reminded of all of my future uploads. You feel me? Because it's 2020 and I got new shit coming, so baby, you gotta get into it. You gotta be reminded that she's back. So without further ado, if y'all want to see how I get into this unit and shit, keep watching.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more.